Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, this is the continuation on our explanation regarding the rulings of vessels and the clothes of disbelievers under the book of purification. What are the Islamic verdict or Islamic rulings that we must know regarding vessels and clothes of the disbelievers or infidels? The first slide is like this. وتباح آنية الكفار التي يستعملونها ما لم تعلم نجاستها فإن علمت نجاستها فإنها تغسل وتستعمل بعد ذلك. It is said that it is permissible and allowed for one to use the utensils or the vessels of non-Muslims, that is the infidels and kuffar, that they normally use, as long as there is known impurity on them. That is, we are very certain and assured that the vessel is pure, then we can use them. However, if it is known that these things are impure, as a Muslim, what should we do? We must wash them before we use them, and after washing them, it becomes permissible and allowed for us to use. After that, we want to know what is the Islamic ruling on Juludul Baita. What is the meaning of Juludul Maita? Juludul Maita, literally, it means the skins of the dead animals. جلود الميتة يحرم استعمالها إلا إذا دبغت، فقد اختلف العلماء في جواز استعمالها بعد الدباغ، والصحيح الجواز وهو قول الجمهور. So, جلود الميتة, the skins of the dead animals, is forbidden for Muslim to use except with one condition. And what is that condition? The condition is that they must be tanned. We must do the bag. There must be tanning of that skin before it is allowed to use. So after that, the ulama, they have divergence of opinion regarding using this skin after tanning. So some say it is allowed, while some say it is not allowed. But the most preferred opinion is it is allowed after tanning. That is the skin of the dead animals after tanning. But before tanning, no any divergence of opinion. They consensusly said that it is not allowed before tanning. حكم ثياب الكفار. So this is another subtopic, that is the permissibility of wearing clothes of the non-Muslims, or let's say that the rulings on wearing clothes of the non-Muslims. تباح ثياب الكفار إذا لم تعلم نجاستها. So it is permissible for us to wear the clothes of the infidels if no that is if there is no any impurity known about the cloth before. لأن الأصل الطهارة, because the basic and initial ruling on every cloth is طهارة, that is they are clean, purity. So فلا تزول بالشك, and this certainty cannot be eliminated with darkness. ويباح ما نسجوه أو صبغوه. It is also permissible for us to wear any fabric dyed or woven by the non-Muslims, because لأن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم وأصحابه كانوا يلبسون ما نسجه الكفار, because it is narrated that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the companions used to wear the garments woven or dyed by the non-Muslims. So this is the rule. This is the Islamic ruling regarding the textile or clothes of the infidels. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.